3, 2, 1, go Rakuten!
In October 2024, 12 tech new grads were welcomed to the company in a ceremony at Rakuten Crimson House in Tokyo.
Keep the capability to create many new ideas.
Today's what I want to talk is the basic mindset of Rakutenians, get things done mindset. You may face some kind of very difficult challenging, times, difficult project, but please try what you can achieve. You can, finish. You can contribute, even if your project is very tough. Your boss or your colleagues will support you. I like soccer, as I said, we are, teams, right? We are families. Only one superstar cannot win, right? So we should be more kind of a good team building with your, teams in your department, in your teams, but also the, outside your department, like a, tech division. If it's a different department, let's collaborate, let's communicate.
These new Rakutenians come from a range of countries and have a variety of specializations. After the ceremony, we spoke with some of the new grads.
I'm from Shenyang City of China.
I'm from Brazil. I'm from Campinas, São Paulo.
I'm from Japan. I'm Fukuoka.
And also my bachelor thesis was in developing a browser extension that analyzes the quality of our discussions in social media. So it utilizes an AI that did some prediction about clarity, reliability.
I'm expert in programming in high school and economics and management from university and a master degree.
My undergraduate major was bioinformatics, and in the graduate school I worked with AI. I use some large language models. I try to use them to solve the genetic problems.
I work as product manager on fintech group. I create a useful service or product, or as a product manager.
Yeah, data scientist. Yeah, actually, in my graduate school, I have involved in a project held by Rakuten. I have met my teammates and the team leader, and I have done some of my possible future work. For example, we can use the data from Rakuten Card or Rakuten Payment. We do the data analysis, and we can help the managers or the other engineers. We can point out how data can instruct their work and how to enhance their work.
I want to bring a lot of our expertise in user experience.
Throughout October, these new grads will undertake a comprehensive training program incorporating workshops and presentations before joining their assigned departments.